जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं।
ऐसी करूंगा सुनहरा गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का हमदास भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूं, हर वीर में और जवान में हूं। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं। हर चांद पे काम जमाना है, सूरज से आंख मिलाना है, एक नया सवेरा लाना है, संकल्प मेरा दोबारा आएगा। न ठहरा था न ठहरा हूं, न ठहरा था न ठहरा हूं। मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं।
Good morning, everyone. Our respected principal, Mrs. Upa Sarkar, Vice Principal Usha Rajshekharan, and the headmistress, Abha Shekarma, and all my dear teachers and my dear students. It's a beautiful day today, and it's a very, very important day today. Why? Because we all have gathered here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of India. Now, a question comes to the mind, Republic Day. Oh, we celebrate on 15th of August Independence Day, then why again we are celebrating Republic Day? That's also a national festival, this is also a national festival. So why is it called a national festival? We understand that Independence Day we got independence. But then of course senior class children, those are already in high school, they all will be knowing the reason. But I am going to tell you, just repeat the same thing which you already know for the juniors, for the middle level students. See children, you all are very, very lucky that you have born in free India. Even I was born in free India only. But then our parents, the generations, our parents, their parents, for the last 3-4 generations in India, it was still 1947, it was under the British colonialism. Lot of torture. They were ruling our country. The Britishers had come to India and they were ruling our country for more than 300 years. And they have taken all the wealth of India. From India, they have taken everything and they've taken to their countries. You all must be knowing that the diamond throne, which was their Kohinoor, that is still today in British bosom. Our government is trying its level best to get it back. So, our country was looted by them. With so many East India companies and so many Britishers were here just to see how good India was and take everything. To the tune of, there was one time when there was Lord Macaulay, before Delhi entered into India, that time India was very, very rich country. Only one thing was lacking, that was they were not speaking in English. They were only area, they were all speaking in their own language. But then all our villages were very beautiful. They were self-sufficient. They did not have to depend on anybody else. They were growing their own crops and whatever was remaining, they were able to sell it outside also. It was that rich a country. And Lord Macaulay came and he said, if at all you have to rule this country, India, then one thing you have to see, start an education in our language so that Indians feel, very, very inferior. They feel inferior, they develop inferiority complex, and then they won't be able to do very well in life at all, and we will be able to rule over them. You are violating the rules. So that, the laws are made. And that is what is a constitution, because it was adopted in 1949, in the year 1949, but it came into practice on 26 January 1950. So that is the reason why we all are celebrating, because it has given. Now earlier there was a law which was made by Britishers, that was in 1935. That act was made, and this constitution which we have today came into being. Another thing, what is the meaning? Why do we call, okay, law is made, constitution is made, we are supposed to follow? What is the meaning of republic? What is the meaning of republic? Republic means a state where the government is elected, the leader is elected. You must have read in your history, many kings have come, So even today in Britain, although Prime Minister is there, but they have a system, queen. In India also, olden days there were queens. So if the king and queen is they own the kingdom, then it's called a kind of monarchism. But if that is not there, if the government is elected by the people, if the leader is elected by the people, that kind of governance is called republic. That is why it is called Republic Day. One is Independence Day and this is called Republic Day. And this Republic Day, since all these laws and regulations were made, which we are supposed to follow, that is why we celebrate children. So I wish you all the best on this Republic Day. This is 75th year of Republic Day.
लहरा दो